Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Samaya if you're new here, and if you're returning girly, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me today. Okay girly, so this is my bag that I am currently carrying. She is so cute. This is a Juicy Couture mini bowler bag, and I mean, oh my, look how cute and girly this bag is. This bag is giving all the girly vibes, and I just absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and get into some details about this bag. So I did get this bag at Burlington Coat Factory, and it came in a set. So it came with the bag as well as a matching wristlet. So you guys will be seeing the wristlet in just a little bit, okay? But yes, this bag is so cute. And I add the little Hello Kitty, but we'll get it to her in a little bit too. But yes, this bag ran for $24.99, which I think is great because you got the wallet and the matching bag. This bag also did come with straps. I don't know if you guys can see the little strap thing right there, but yeah. This did come with straps, but I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I did not like the straps at all. I'm gonna show you guys the straps. Okay, you guys. So these are the straps. As you can see, I clearly did cut them off, okay? I used my little pliers, or I think that's what they're called. Pliers, and I just went ahead and took them suckers off because I didn't like these straps. First of all, because when I used it and saw what it looks like with the straps, it was hanging way too long. Like, it was like hanging down to my knees. Like, girl, what? Like, no, that is not cute, okay? So I was like, no. And then another thing I don't like about these straps is that it doesn't come with an adjustable, like, band to make it adjust to, like, the size and length that you want. So I was not feeling these straps at all, but I did cut them off, and honestly, it's not bothering me none because I have another Juicy bag that literally has the same exact mauve straps, but they're clip-on straps, so I can clip it on to the side of the purse, and I could just use my other Juicy straps, so that's why I'm not really tripping about it. But yeah, y'all, I was not feeling those straps at all. I think the bowling bag personally looks better without the straps, but I mean, my personal opinion, I didn't like the straps. That was the only downfall about this bag, but other than that, the bag is beautiful. As you can see, my Hello Kitty girl is on here. This is my Hello Kitty plush. I got her from Hobby Lobby, all right? So check out your local Hobby Lobby if you've been wanting to get a Hello Kitty plush, okay? This is really cute, and I thought that this just added a cute little extra fun touch to this bag, even though this bag does look good just alone. But when you add Hello Kitty, if I can get it together, she just adds that cute extra girly touch, which I love. So let's go ahead and open up this bag, girl, and see what I got. I got some really cute goodies. So the first thing I have is my Juicy Couture matching wristlet, okay? This wristlet is so freaking cute, and it has the, you know, traditional little Juicy heart right there. And I did add my cute little Hello Kitty charm because I thought she would just be a cute little touch to this wallet. This is the back of the wallet, so it's really, really cute. I really like it. It has some front compartments right here, and then you also have a compartment right here to put your cards. I would say this is like a card holder, even though it's, I don't know why they said it's a wristlet on the description of the purse because it doesn't have the wristlet thing on there. They should have just said wallet, but I don't know. Either way, it's still really cute. It matches perfect with the bag. I like it. But yeah, I would say this is more like a card holder. Next in my Juicy bag, I have my really cute Hello Kitty pocket mirror. You guys, this is the cutest freaking pocket mirror ever. Like, it's so cute. It has like a little vanity thing going on because when you touch the button, it like lights up, and it's just like so freaking cute. Ah, why is it not working? Work. There you go. Yeah, that is so cute. I got this little pocket mirror from, girl, not me forgetting where I got the pocket mirror from. Where did I get it from? Oh, I got it from Marshall's. Samaya, girl. I got it from Marshall's, and this is by far the cutest pocket mirror I've ever owned. And I know I said that about my last Hello Kitty pocket mirrors, I think, but this one right here is by far like the best pocket mirror I have found. And when I saw it, I was like, yeah, I've got to get this. Next in my juicy bag, we've got my cute little Hello Kitty lotion, okay? This lotion smells so good, and honestly, I was so glad that I found these little Hello Kitty lotions because I got my Barbie little travel size purse lotions, but now I got Hello Kitty ones, so I'm like even extra excited, and I got more options I could choose from when I'm packing my purses. And they actually smell good, and they actually work good, and I like them. And I just love the fact that it's cute, it's compact, and you know, it's just perfect for your purse, you know, especially if you're rocking a small little cute tiny purse like how I am. Girl, like you can't fit your big lotion in there, so you have got to get something cute like this. It's from the Cream Shop, and I just love this. And I got the pack of lotions from Marshall's as well. Next in my purse, we have my cute little mini BB coin purse. So this is my little coin purse. It's so cute, you guys, and I just love it. It's so cute, it's so girly, it's so tiny. Like, you cannot tell me this is not the cutest little coin purse you have ever seen. Like, this little mini bag is so freaking cute, and I got this from Ross, and this was a really, really good find. Like, I must say, this was a really, really good find because, girl, like what? I have not seen a cute little coin purse like this before, so I was super excited, and I got this for like $3.99 at Ross. So I'm currently carrying 3 different lip products in my new purse. So I'm gonna show you guys all 3 of them, starting with this cute little lipstick right here, or lip gloss. Pardon me, lip gloss, even though it has a really cute pink tint that actually does pop up. This is the Morphe lip gloss, and this is so cute. It's called Pink Palm, and OMG, when I tell you guys, this lip gloss is like the perfect tint. It's so pretty. Like, I just love it so much. I'm gonna put some on so y'all can see it real quick, because when I tell you guys, it's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like, that is from this, like that pigment, so freaking cute. You cannot tell me that's not cute. And I bought a set of these, so it came with this one, another light pink tinted one, and then a clear one. And I got these from Marshall's, and I believe the set was like maybe $9.99 for 3 of them, and it was from the Morphe brand. So I think that is great because Morphe is a high-end makeup brand, so that was definitely a good deal. Next, I have my really cute Hello Kitty Rolly lip gloss. This is so cute. It has the little Hello Kitty bows, and also it has Hello Kitty like on the top right here. I picked up this Rolly lip gloss at Hobby Lobby. I didn't know Hobby Lobby sells stuff like that. I was so shocked, and when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting that. Like a Hello Kitty Rolly lip gloss. Like, okay, I need that, I need that. And so I bought it, and it was only for like $1.79. I've been wearing it, and I love it. Between this and my, honestly, I like all my lip products that I'm currently wearing right now. Between this, this one and the Morphe, I am just loving it, okay? Next, I'm carrying my Hello Kitty chapstick. Just look how cute and adorable she is. She comes in the color purple with the pink bow, and I got this chapstick from Marshall's as well, and they had a lot of these in stock, and they also had pink ones too. But when I saw the purple one, I was like, okay, I'm gonna change it up a little bit because I have a lot of pink stuff because I love pink, but I also do really like the color purple as well. So I thought this would be just a cute addition to my little collection of the Cream Shop chapsticks or lip balms that I have already. All the chapsticks smell really, really good, and I like them. I think they work great. When I tell y'all, ever since I picked them up, I've been using them. Your girl has been using them, and I'm a fan of them. I like them. And the Cream Shop, they be doing their thing. They be doing their thing when it comes to these collaborations. Next in my purse, I have my little cute nail file set. This is my nail file set right here. It comes with all my little things that I need for my nails, like glue, clippers, all that kind of stuff, because you guys know I am a press-on nail girly, so I like to have all the things I need just in case I might need to fix my nails, touch up my nails, you know, one pops off, whatever. So I have my glue in here, I got nail file in here, just some nail clippers, a big one and a small one. I absolutely love this. I think this is such a great thing to have in your purse on the go. I found this at Burlington Coat Factory, and I just think it is so cute. Next in my purse, I have my regular cute pink pen. If you guys are new to this channel, I love to keep pens and notepads and stuff in my purse. Now, unfortunately, I do not have a notepad in this what's in my purse because this purse was just too small, but I did pack me a pen just in case, because I feel like it's good to always have a pen on you. You never know when you're gonna have to sign something, if you need to, you know, lend somebody a pen because they don't have a pen. So I just have this really cute basic pink pen, and I got this pen from the Dollar Tree. Now you guys know I had to figure out a way to fit a snack in my purse, okay? Because I love having my snacky snacks in my purse, okay? So I have this really cute Hello Kitty candy like push-up thing. So basically you like push it up and like candy comes out, and this is like it right here. It's so cute. I got this candy, Hello Kitty candy, from Hobby Lobby. I keep forgetting where I'm getting my stuff. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I got this from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, girl, she's so cute. She's pink. And when I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting this. And this is so just nostalgia and like very old school, because these were popular when I was a kid. And you would just see the kids get these. Like it was just a fun way to have candy, because you have your favorite little character on here, and then you also had candy. So it was like a win-win situation. So comment down below if you remember these, and if you ever bought these as a kid. But yeah, when I saw this at Hobby Lobby, I was like, oh, I'm getting that. And they had like a whole bunch of them. I think they had like a My Melody one, they had cute little like rainbow ones, different Hello Kitty ones. They had like a purple Hello Kitty one, but of course, you know, I went with the cute soft pink color. And I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute, and it's perfect for this small bag because, y'all, this bowler bag is small, but it's so cute though. All right, girlies, that is everything I'm currently carrying in my new Juicy Couture mini bowler bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, girl. And thank you guys so much for all the positive, nice comments that I've been receiving. I've been seeing them, and I've been responding to y'all. So thank you so much for taking the time out your day to just start a conversation and to talk to me. Let me know what you guys think about this bag. Is this a bag you would get, or is it too small for you? Would you have kept the straps on? Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.